Hello everyone. Now I'm going to show you how to separate your articles. Many times students get peer-reviewed and magazines mixed up, so I'm going to show you how to separate those. So I typed in my search query, my search string, and it's already in books, articles, and more. And as I said, you can always filter it out to any online books and articles, but you still need to go over here to the left-hand side and filter your and limit your options. So that I'm going to click online, and I'm going to start with my peer-reviewed first. So I'm going to click on scholarly articles. And anytime it says peer-reviewed, that is your indication that this is, in fact, a peer-reviewed article. If it doesn't say peer-reviewed and it only says available online, that's more or less just an article, like a magazine article. So I would just click on this, just take this top one right here, and I'm going to click on the top Gale Academic One file. And then I'm going to go over here where it says Get Link and copy and paste. And I'm going to get two of those to get the required 2 peer-reviewed resources for my scholarly and popular assignment. Now I'm going to change my filter so that I just get magazines. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to keep it in online, but I'm going to take out the scholarly journals. And I'm going to go down here and I'm going to click on articles. And as you can see, peer-reviewed still comes up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hover over here where it says scholarly journals and click on the exclude scholarly journals. So there will be a strike through there. And then everything that comes up should not say peer-reviewed. It says open access. So let's click on this one. It's Business Quarterly, which is a magazine article. And we're going to go to Gale Academic One file again. Let's see. Let's click on this one. Okay, and then I would just go up here to get the link, copy and paste it. I would get 2 magazine articles to fulfill the requirements for my scholarly and popular assignment. And then one last resource that I need is a newspaper article. So I'm going to go up here to my filters. I'm going to click out of articles. I'm going to click out of exclude scholarly journals. I'm going to go down here to where it says show more. And I'm going to click on newspaper articles. And it will always say newspaper article up here and give you a little picture of a newspaper right there. And in all these searches, you can change the dates on any of them. Click refine. And that's pretty much it on the one search. You just have to make sure that you pay attention to the left-hand side and utilize all the filters and limiters. And that will help you get the right type of resource for the popular and scholarly assignments. Okay? Thank you. If you guys have any questions, email me.